A manufacturer has been selling 1,400 television sets a week at $510 each. A market survey indicates that for each $27 rebate offered to a buyer, the number of sets sold will increase by 270 per week. This is why businesses do sales. They want to increase. They give a cheaper price, but then they sell more, and overall they make more money. The price function, P of X, where X is the number of the television sets sold per week, is so on an earlier problem, we found that using this relationship up here. So here they're just giving us that initial part. They're asking us to finish the problem. So now that we know the relationship here between price and number of sets sold, right? X is the number of sets sold per week. Price is P. We've got that. We found that earlier problem. Now let's use that to maximize revenue. Now revenue is price times quantity sold, right? Revenue is the total amount of money you take in. So let's write that down here. So revenue, I'm really doing part A here. Revenue is price times quantity sold. Price times quantity sold. So revenue is the price. What's the price? Well, that's P. Times what's the quantity sold? Oh, price. I'm sorry. Price should be that whole formula, huh? It's that whole formula minus X over 10 plus 650. That's the price formula times the quantity sold. That's X. X is the number sold. So therefore, revenue equals, let's distribute, bonk, bonk. And I'm going to make that minus 1/10, and that'll be X squared plus 650X. There we go. There's the revenue equation. Now, what do they want us to do with it? Well, they say right here, maximize the revenue equation. So how do we do that? We take the derivative and set it equal to 0. So bring this down. Minus 2/10 x to the first, subtract 1 from the power, plus 650. That 1 power comes down, subtract 1, it's gone. And we set it equal to 0. Because that's how we find maximums and minimums. Take the derivative, set it equal to 0. So, because that's where the peaks and the valleys are. So what do we get then? We get 650 equals positive 2/10 x. Let's make that a decimal. 0.2x, then we just divide both sides by 0.2. Boom. X equals, what's that? 3,250, I think. Let's go to Desmos to double check. 650 divided by 0.2. So let's see. 650 divided by 0.2. Yep, 3,250. So we got that. So that's how many, that's the first answer, 3,250. That's how many TV sets they're going to sell at to make maximum revenue. And then what is the price they need to set to reach it? What is the price that goes with that? Well, there's X. What's the real? So we need part B. What is the price they should set to get this maximum sales and revenue? Well, the price we have X. The relationship between P and X is right here. P is minus X over 10 plus 650. P is minus X over 10 plus 650, right? I get that right? Yeah. Plus 650. Yeah. All right. So then we go, oh, okay, this is my X. Let's plug it in. Minus 3250 over 10 plus 650. So the price equals, what's that? Minus 325 plus 650. The price is, it's coming into, that's positive 325, isn't it? So they should set the price at positive 325. Yep, indeed. So they should set the price at $325 a TV set, and they will maximize their revenue selling 3,250 televisions and making maximum revenue. And so there we go.